Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Kirti Kanodia. Welcome to Toshri Institute. Today, we are going to give you remedies for Amavasya, that is tomorrow. And for this Amavasya, we are going to give you remedies according to the planets. Every planet has their own role and significance in your life. So, according to that planet, you can distribute and you can donate things to overcome the obstacles and challenges of your life. You can not only do one remedy, you can do multiple remedies and you can do multiple remedies of the multiple planets. You can do this remedy on every Amavasya, or you can do the remedy, repeat the remedy on the day of the planet. So, starting with the sun is for Sunday, and for the sun, you can distribute jaggery. Jaggery has to be distributed after the sunrise and before the sunset. In between, you can distribute the jaggery to the people around you. You can distribute the jaggery into the temple. You can donate into the temple, or you can also distribute the jaggery to the beggars around. You can feed the jaggery to the cow. By doing this, you will be overcoming the obstacles of your success, growth, and fame. So you can perform this remedy every Amavasya or on all Sundays. Next, coming to the moon. For the moon, what you need to do is you need to donate either water, you can donate rice, or you can donate sugar. And this you can do on every Monday. You can repeat each Monday by distributing it, or you can do it on every Amavasya. This remedy can be performed anytime in a day. You can distribute this to the needy people around you. You can distribute this to your domestic helper. You can distribute this to anyone you wish to distribute and you feel that this person is in need of that. And you can also distribute this or donate this in the temple. Now, next comes is the mass. For the mass, what you need to do is you need to distribute. If suppose you know people who are into this lot of masculine energy, right? So, as if the people who are bouncers, right? People who are into wrestling and all, and people who are wanting to take a career as a wrestler, or some weak people who are going through weakness of their life and they cannot afford either supplements, they cannot afford supplements, or they cannot afford proper food in their life. So make sure that you're offering a help to the people who need strength in their life. Or what you can do if you're not finding such people around, what you can do still is you can donate any dal, red color dal, that is masoor dal, into the temple where they are going to make it, offer it to the people in the temple, and it will go to everyone who is coming. If not this, also what you can do is you can donate red color sindoor into the Hanumanji temple. That is going to help you to overcome the weaknesses of your mental mind or your physical strength or your emotional self. So wherever you need strength in your life, this is the remedy that you can do, either giving strength by distributing supplements to the people who is in need, or what you can do is, as we told you, you can offer a sindoor to Hanumanji every Tuesday or every Amavasya, whichever is suitable or easy for you to do with it. So next is Mercury. For the Mercury, what you can do is you can either donate spinach, or you can also donate cabbage, either to the people around you, to your domestic help, or you can donate it to the beggars, and you can also feed the cow. Feeding the cow is the best remedy for this. Every Wednesday, go and feed the cow. You can also feed the grass to the cow. But if you're donating it in the temple, make sure that you're donating either spinach or you're donating cabbage. And by doing this, what you're going to do is you're going to improve your intelligence. Not only your intelligence, but you're also going to bring a lot of clarity in your mind that will help you or strengthen you to make decisions and move ahead in your life with ease and joy. So after this comes is Jupiter. So with Jupiter, if you're looking for intelligence, if you're looking for the growth in your life, understand one thing: Jupiter is a vast planet. It increases. Okay, whatever, whether it is negative or positive, it increases. It knows how to expand. Right? So if you put negative into this planet, it will expand the negativity. If you put positive into the planet, it will expand the positivity. So what you need to do, you have to make it positive now. So there are two remedies for this. Either you can distribute bananas to the people around, to the beggars, or you can offer it into the temple. You can donate it to the people, on the roads. There's no problem with that. Or what you can do, you can lit a lamp under a people tree every Thursday. So for Jupiter, either you can do the remedy every Thursday, or you can do it on every Amavasya. That is according to how much struggle that you're going through and how much growth you're looking forward in your life. And with doing this, you're not only improving your mental strength and improving your vastness in your life, but you are also getting blessings from the ancestors. So after Jupiter is Venus, right? For the Venus, you can perform the remedy on every Friday or every Amavasya, that is completely on you. Okay? So for Venus, what you need to do, you need to offer, either you can offer the silver, but we know the silver is very expensive now. So if you don't want to offer any silver, or if you don't want to donate silver, what you can do is you can just go for anything like um, very easy remedy, like giving flowers. Any white color flowers, either you can donate into the temple, white color flowers, because donating flowers outside, they're going to think that, okay, what should I do with the flowers? So donating flowers outside is not going to make any sense to you. So either you can donate flowers in the temple, or what you can do, if you're seeing any marriages, any female people who is getting married around you, not the male, any female getting married, what you can do, you can, help them for the decoration of the flowers in their functions. That you can do. Not only this, what you can do is, if you're seeing any bride around you, or maybe your domestic help, or any person who's in need, whose marriage is going to perform, any female whose marriage is going to perform, there you can donate anything for their shringar, for, either the jewelry like silver jewelry, or their makeup, the perfumes for them. So this you can do. By doing this, what you're doing is enhancing your planet Venus, that will bring money in your life and also will bring the blessings of your lineage, female lineage, that is very important for your growth and your happiness in the life. So next is Saturn. For the Saturn, you can perform either on every Saturday or every Amavasya. So for Saturn, what you can do is you need to donate money, especially if you have coins, or you can donate money. Donate money to the people who are sitting outside the temples, not the people who are begging on the signals. This remedy will help you either outside the temple or any religious place. It's not only temple, but any religious place where you see people sitting outside and begging for something. So you can donate money here, or what else you can do is you can also uh, donate if you feel that something has to be donated. Like now it's summer, you can also donate footwear to them. Okay? The costing of the footwear is completely depend on the budget. It doesn't have to be like too expensive or too cheap, whatever you wish. Okay, this is what I can donate. Go and donate slippers, that is footwears. Donating this is going to help you a lot, but one thing you have to keep in mind, that you cannot buy the footwear on the same day. You cannot buy the footwear on Amavasya or Saturday. So make sure that you are buying it before that and then donating it on Saturday. Yeah. So by donating slippers, it's summer now, it's going to help you to overcome the judgments. That is your karmic cycle that you're carrying forward from the lifetimes, and also that you have created in this life. So it is going to help you to overcome your karmic cycles and reduce the punishments of your life. So do this either on every Saturday, or you can do it every Amavasya, or you can do both. This is a very powerful and very good remedy. If you're not able to do this both, what the lastly that you can do is go to any Navgraha temple and offer oil to Shani Dev. And by doing this, again, you have to keep one thing in mind. This remedy has to be performed by buying the oil beforehand. You cannot go to the temple and buy oil, because by doing that, you are creating the karma, you are creating the energy of negativity, and then you are ending it then and there. So buy the oil beforehand. You cannot buy the oil or Amavasya or on Saturday. Buy it beforehand and make sure that you're holding this, you're taking this oil from the house till the temple where you go, and leave the container there only. So it's better to take in disposable or anything that you don't wish to get it back to the home. So put it there only, wash your hand, and then come back home. After this, also you can donate money to the beggars. So this is what you can do. So next is Rahu. For Rahu, what you can do is very simple and yet very powerful remedy. Every Saturday, you can offer money or donate money to the sweepers on the road. If you are into gated community, you can offer this to the sweepers of your gated community who's sweeping outside your house area. So that is your community roads or maybe the roads here. But you cannot do the same with your mates. You can add your mate into that, mates domestic help into that, but you cannot only do this by giving to your domestic help. You have to give it to the sweepers of your community or the people on the road, that is MCH people who are doing on the road. Donate money. It could be 10 rupees. It could be anything that you would like to donate. Do it every Saturday for sure. And on Amavasya also. This is going to give you a lot of benefits of Rahu. And when you have a lot of benefit of the Rahu, Rahu has capability to give you money or to bring the money in your life with your hard work and as well as from the unexpected ways. So do this remedy for improvement of your growth of money and the positivity of your life. So next and the last thing is Ketu. If you want to enhance your Ketu and bring lot of spirituality, and you want to, develop intuition. Why the intuition? Because intuition becomes the GP. The Google. It's like your how to say this, it's like your movement, it's like your growth. So if I give you with an example here, it's like, how you use Google Maps, right? So it becomes like Google Maps, where it will direct you where you need to go. So your intuition is like direction to where you need to go. So it is very, very nice and very beautiful remedy that you can do. So for enhancing your Ketu, what you need to do is try to donate or try to feed black colored dogs on the street. You cannot do this with your pet dogs. You cannot do this with the dogs who are pet at home with the other dogs. So try to do with the street dogs. And you can, it's best to give them milk because street dogs, they can digest milk also. So you can give the milk. And if you feel, no, I don't want to give the milk because you feel that it cannot be digested by them. So you can offer food to the dogs. Those are black in color, especially black colored dogs. And if you're not able to do this both, then what you can do is best. See, this is the best remedy, and this remedy gives you instant results as well. But suppose by any chance, if you're not able to do, what you can do is you can go to any black color cow, okay, and you can offer either grass to them or you can feed black color chana to them. You have to soak it one day before, then next day you can give it, and you can take advice from the Gaushala people who are the caretaker. Either you can go there or you can go randomly onto the road, the cows on the road. But again, I'm telling you, best remedy is to feed dogs on the street, black color dogs on the street. If not black color, at least go for different colors. Okay, but that is the best remedy for this. Hmm? So, guys, just do these remedies and all the best. You're definitely going to overcome all the obstacles because whatever you have done in your life, you have to complete it either by doing good deeds like donations and all, or by suffering through it. So when you do good deeds, your sufferings get reduced. The only reason is because you are adding on to bonus points in your accounts. So this is it for today. Try it out and all the best. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Namaste.